Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock users on Telegram. So if you want to unblock user on Telegram, here's how you can get it done. Just open your Telegram app on your phone, then you tap on the gear button, which is the setting icon. You tap on it, then you tap on privacy and security, tap on the option, then the first option that you have, which is unblocked user, just tap on the block user. Then from here you can see the numbers of okay, good, what happened? Okay, let's just give some few minutes. Alright, let's go again. Tap on the gear button, then tap on the privacy and security, then from here then we tap on blocked user. So from here you can specifically pick from the list of the blocked users. So I'm just going to tap on this particular person. So from here I'll just tap on the dot icon, which is more button, then I'll just no. So I'm just going to tap on this option right here. Sorry, I'm going to tap on this option, which is unblock, then tap on unblock, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.